Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Flying together, all the way. So we will continue with the exercise of flying together. Flying together, the last exercise. Page number 40. Look at page number 40. So you will find the exercise on page number 40 now. Fun time later. Fun time later now. Probe this year. Proverbs learning on the Tambet Rahman the Injigi. Or the T-shirt. Ordinal fun time game number 1 now. Proverbs are short, wise saying. The Injigi also proverbs are short, wise saying. Proverbs like the Tunda Karlana, and Kaja Shade, Kaja of the short lado, Tundu. Imbala, and this is the Patan to share Jura or Titri, Lord. For example, penetration as a look before you leap, Lord. Look before you leap. Now, look before you leap, it not throw the heart said Lasana Raw. Hira Machum Yella, Tas, Lord. Look, Lana Tala, before the Dingula Laura, you leap Lana Choma Laura. Chilan Kiran Machum Yella, Midas, Pagashome in my number. Machum Yella, Tas, Lord. Odishevo, the in dig coa, Shimbajo race laughter, Ribotan Shimbashi, Odison, look before you leap like this, is a pro chadir. This means that we should think carefully before we take any action. We should think carefully before we take any action. Manzugita Leva Chawa Kariji Cheway Jay if Machibodu Slowra, Tamanduchi Karina action to Lingua Chawa to grow, or the Machibodu, Machinil Hachilana, and it can some way of town with race, Lord. The 100 action cutting game by the Delia, Machinil and some way of town with race, Lord. These are the Tundacho what did it? Chesatanashi, here are some popular English proverbs that Injigi. Tambe the Masunera today, and this Tikera Chayana in the Kajish, yes, Lord. Read them aloud together and discuss what each could mean. Now read them aloud, let the get the package much and laws, Lornira, and Susu, discuss with your friends. Susu to William Dula, Ani, Kare, Church, yes, Lord. Kare Church, what each could mean. Magual Pro Hatutisha, Majeda, Pro Madi, and really to the Harkar Shadows. Oh, the Zugi Ko Hartan to Lajura Pro Digi, or the Zugi Tundadi, and so to win to discuss Chilo. Or the vacation book on law and the discuss Chilo. They invite me. I have written all the meanings here. Then you can Pro the Zugi Tunda, someone you get Tisha, or the D, Karanduba, Shusha. That's Mudina Harisha Snow there. Old is gold, Old is gold. Old is gold, and then Nimba the silver is now. That Hardushan the Nimba and gold and silver is the real Rachada. Old is gold, the Nimba the silver is Lord. Korang it's 60 and that the Ineko provoke into and Kojustan Shera. All the Tunda Harshaw there. All things do not get waste with time. Rather, they become more precious to us. Now, all things do not get waste with time. Nana, Manzuki Chala Nimba in a Renzi, Karine Kanta Nimba Rigdi is like Jura, or Yama Tinso, Slajura, or the Tizula, and it do a job on Nashiki, and it could do a Duma race. Rather, they become more precious to us. Dilala Konzo Harshalan Manzula, Zache Child race, the precious and Zachamula. Oh, Manzula, and it Nimba Digedi, and it new Drudu, and Konzo Hare. Follow the Maris, Lord. Delela Konzo Manzul Harsha Dure, Zache Chadure, Chala Digedi. Oh, did it. These are going to learn the old is well given now, did it. And they were newer than all. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. That the probe, the girl, as you sow, that the Kenama Hartaba in Esor, so that the Mataba or Sabitaba. As you sow, Kenama Hartaba in so shall you reap. Kenama Hartaba in there, and it Kenaya, it's among my Resor, reap, that the Yatamanga, Ya Tendo Lembala, or Dil Kodur. is a Suzu Karmata Benedi ya Leis, Ma, Detamna ya Delam, Deling Rock, Ma Shum Tapsuna ya Shum Ling Rock, or the Suzu Kartapsunet Harama, the ya Leis, so whatever you sow, you will reap it. So if you sow rice, patty, or the Mata Bena, you will reap rice, patty. Ma Jay the Tizutana, Ya Jay Nera, Ma Jay Tamnashum Lemra. Oh, did it? Is that the Dodo did that? They never quick it, not that. It means your actions, whether good or bad, will repay in the same manner. It means that your actions cannot get chavala, cannot get leva karcheva in Esor, whether good or bad, Yapu in it, Toja in it, Esor, will repay the two table. In the same manner, Keju Chibujiga manner, Keju Chobalora, Chobachibujiga Diladu, the Dodo Harshegore, if your action is good, you will get a good result like Ra. Or did it? Is it Chawadi Yapu, cannot do the if your action is bad, Chawadi Toja, you will get bad result, bad karma. Some of the Lena Rugiena, good karma, bad karma like Ra. Ordinary. Tap under Harsheva and Kerami Chawa, Yapu in the Doja and Chawa Harsheva in Dilapo Vegi and two Kerala Raim Race or Limba. This are ordinary. Number Suba de unity is strength. Unity is strength. Unity like rock or the Chiti Lord. And its strength like Nuba Nutop like rock or the Chiti Sheva in a Nutopio race lord. And the Dodo the Sheva. When there is unity, we can solve all the problems. When there is unity, we can solve all the problems. When there is unity, we can solve the several all the problems. And number 4, united we stand, divided we fall. United, unity chikti lamba, united chikti there, Lord. We stand Yal Lamba Lord, around the chikti Yal Lamba in us, some chikti Tumbuchin Yomba in us, Lord. Chizak and then around the Tumbu Cheva ina, and to Yabuchin Netu Razor. Divided we fall. Divide Lanama Koshajavala, that under the Koshajavala, Makatolo. We fall. Chizam around the Katoni Devaina, and around the Mas Hunu race like Rock. Oh, did it? That's not what did it. I did proverb. When people are united, it is difficult to destroy them. And meet the Quran, the Chiki Yobana, and Michilo Kazuki, Consolatore, Tapshitambaine, and Chiki Yobana, the Hajola, Chiki Yobana, Tore, Tapshi Kazuchebaine, and Tortuma race, Lord. It is difficult to destroy them. Consuma, Toshita, Kabuyo race, Lord. Chiki Yobana. Chelo Nigi, and the Martoshitana, and the Chikti de Patorella, Kabuyo race. All the Lord. Then number 5, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need. A friend in need, that's also need like the Godilla, so go back up the Tobuji never in Aslo, is a friend indeed. Indeed, the Embang Mumala, what did they go to? She's also need any. Tobuji, nay, the and Tobuji to your Robert Chebana, or the and Tobuji Mumari is like Jura, or the Daddy to that. The friend who shows up in your need or trouble is your true friend. The friend who shows up on the Yal Tayumbalo, Tidan Tumbalo, and then Tayumba, Yumbalo, Canada. In your need, Canada need you, Canada go do. When you need some help, Canada, what did you go you do? Or you are in trouble, or cannot you do. And it is not cannot you do the Canada Robot Neve Kabla, and Tobuji Canada Robachigayomba Kanye Dilla, Donate Chigayomba, Robachiga Yumba Ina, the Tobudi is your true friend. On the day you Tobudi, and cannot put them race or Tobu much is Lord. These are all the number 5 set. And number 6, all is well that ends well. All is well, then all is well. The all is well, and that ends well. The ends Jubdola, Duvala, Jovala, well 타마델 야고 총바이나스 이시 타마델 야고 총바이나 참아 야고 총으로 딩이야 강이 같이네 참아 제 요만 찌우 말에 에슬라 줘라 된대 그래 there an event that has a good ending is good even if some things went wrong along the way daga an event 자주 반대진 바이 내서가 자주 지겠어 that has a good ending 라는 말다 내가 타마델라 타주델라 알스로 야고 요바 이랑 굿라도 even if some things went wrong 라는 디파라데 디스 니르딘데 중앙 요바 이네야 알스로 along the way 다 수수기 내가 시드 아니 내가 디 마두스 제윤도 기마라 땅에다 딘데 제 요바 이네야 안다 타마델라 아니 야고 중요나 아니 야고 중요레스 내가 디 근데 야고 theory 나오라 So in the exam, if you are going to give an exam, cannot do to take you you worked very hard to score a good marks. That cannot give so you had faced lots of problems while doing your studies. That cannot but at the end, you got a good result. Kimre yaku the Kubrun the Yakuchara, Kimal cannot kangi trade last day the Tamadele Yakutin, all the Yapurays, that Tamadele Kimre Yakutin, Suzupe Yakuchunra, all the Yapurays, all the day, all is well, that ends well. These are all the day. Then you the probe, dinner, summer, tender de Chishamba. Okay, the next number 2 dinner, look at this probe. Probe delta all is well that ends well. Like so, what you do that is all this. That the cardinal cannot do the exercise cardinal discuss what it means. Can you think of events happenings in life where this probe can be used? That the cannot do chisa. The I've already written here near the chisa. That new can you think of events or happenings? Events chance let's think of happenings. Cannot get charged cannot chung the yoke, cannot miss in our da. The legend now, Lagatic chung the yogi, and it probe deep Jutansagi, Neda the Yubes, the Digi, Chunsues, Lajura, and yet you cannot to do the patient about what you do in, and on the probe, the Pujutan that you got all is well. That ends well, I saw what is the Pujutan you were. That cannot exercise Tambudin. You would not need the Chisoja. Then you would write down your story or the event. Then read the paragraph to your neighbor. Then write down your story. Cannot do the Chungu by enough and cannot get doom the tea. Yes, Lord. And doom the tea. Who give the tea, the room land and who give the tea and Chin Suzuki, Kimze Shade, Suzuki Kimze Suzus Chokolpa and Shays, Lord. That cannot get decortation day. That again. Ye to do portion but Hampon Masu to do college and Hamadel today about Tingo or the deportation or the unusual Suzuenda. These are okay. This is next number 3 dinner. Let's play the clap word game. Let's play the clap word game. That's somebody does the jail mix here, but the game to say clap like the Lapatabala. Tani and Labadamni in the Gitsamuze or the Risha. Where the word produces one sound, clap once, as in creep. Clap twice if the word can be broken up into 2 syllables, as in creeper, and thrice as in tomorrow. That the Korshiol where the word produces lana matembalora dat one sound dachik tunguna dakardu chik tungu yunas lord and lavachik davs lord dakardu ni tungu dunarda lavani daver dasum tungu duna lavasum daver that was better as in creep la dakardu chik and lavachik dav lord creep la that game draw das lava daver so the creep la lavachik dav lord abhajul clap twice in word that can be broken into 2 lada. Chik ni na pass to be by na and on doing lava ni da lord. Other CREEP creep chigra and creep la lodi da chik to the lava chik da lord. And it's bad in all her last na creeper. Ni And lavani dollar, creeper, lavani doves, and sum to not sum tomorrow. They can do their period or tomorrow. Tomorrow, sum the better. What did the Magdal and lava the better? That is this was what did the wall the creeper and the lamba and it struggled. Oh, Kalija tomorrow sang it geese number to the yaw. Throw you balora foolish kuba lengu chabjun lagro what into someone possible sibalor noticed tonachumba carefully sabsab ngane flapped shobadu daba lagimba returned chill loba pal loba yamena chala su yedi pal loba or titular returned evening kondala trapped lagi ani Nijina Humbala, Kangijina Humbala, or the Mifajo Gogotan, me Gogovala Tuba, they get some treachery, surprise, handsome, Haleva, Lira, or the Datan Lord Dizigamba, they can do the Stushal Lord, and creep plus one, Lawajik the very creeper, raw, and tomorrow, and Lavasum the Verda, or the game door, or the day. Okay, so now we have finished with the chapter and all the exercises. So do your assignments in time. They cannot do so in next class we will go with the new chapter. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Stay well, stay safe. Do your studies well. Thank you. Bye bye.